What's good, guys? Disney Syndrome here. 31-day poster challenge, day 23. Let's get it. Let's hop into the Discord real quick to see what were today triggers. We have portrait, word compress, and contrast. I think that maybe we can come up with a piece that merges all three. Not sure. I think I can see the piece. I'm lying, I got nothing, but let's open Photoshop, play around a bit, see what can we come up with. Let's get it. Let's hop into Photoshop, shall we? Okay guys, this is the final piece. I really like it. I think I managed to get all three trigger words in there. We have the portrait. I try to make like the treatments of the images and the text to feel like really compressed. Many of the elements I contrast to really convey like this concept. Also the treatment of the image, I made it as if it was some kind of really compressed bitmap effect. The end, it's a really bold and elegant piece, and I think I really like it. So yeah, it's done. Day 23. You know how it is. See you tomorrow. Fuck peace. Wish you conflict. Cheese.